Do you feel like you're constantly wasting time searching for files or opening apps on your Mac? What if I told you there's a way to 10x your productivity? And it starts with just one tool. Welcome to ARAM Tutorials. Today I'm introducing you to Raycast, a game changer for macOS that will completely revolutionize how you work. First, let's get Raycast set up on your Mac. Open a browser and navigate to raycast.com. Click the download button to download the installer for macOS. Run the DMG file and drag the Raycast app to your Applications folder. Drag the Raycast disk icon to the trash can to eject the DMG file. Once installed, launch Raycast. You will see a pop-up which states, Raycast is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click Open. The Raycast welcome screen will pop up. Next, click Start Setup. You can explore the different features on this page as it will make you more familiar with Raycast's tools. Then click Continue. If you want to install these extensions, click Install All. I will click I'll do it later. If you want to try out the Pro version, click Start 14-day trial. If not, click Maybe Later. This screen walks you through using the hotkey. By default, the hotkey to open Raycast is Option plus space. To replace Spotlight with Raycast, click Replace Spotlight. If you want to use another command other than Option plus space and Command plus space, click Record New Hotkey. Then click Continue. This screen will walk you through enabling the proper permissions Raycast needs to work. Once you finish, click Continue. Now, press your Set hotkey and enjoy your newly set up Raycast. Raycast's features lies in its search bar. Here's what you can do. Search for an app by name and press Enter to launch it. Type SF to open the Search Files command and quickly locate your recent files. Use Raycast as a calculator by typing a math expression and pressing Enter to copy the result. Want to see your clipboard history? Open the Clipboard History command to find text you've copied earlier. Raycast is designed for speed. Here are some must-know shortcuts. Use the Escape key to go back to the previous page. Use Control-N and Control-P to move down or up in a list. Use Command-W to close the Raycast window. Use Command-Comma to open Raycast preferences. With Raycast, you'll not only save time but also work smarter, and this is just the beginning. Explore even more features and hidden gems in the Raycast manual.